During one of my visits to Russia, I learnt about how Russians take a cold dip in freezing lakes. It is a Christian tradition, but many do it for the health benefits. I was told that it could be dangerous if you are not used to the cold, so I skipped it at that time. However, a sense of challenge stayed with me, and I wanted to prepare for it. The following year, I started with just 5 seconds cold water splash, and within 3 months, I turned it up to 1 minute, and by the end of the year, I did 4 minutes complete cold shower every morning, and I have continued for over 3 years now. Yes, even during winters when it's minus 17 degrees outside. Personally, I took this up to step outside my comfort zone regularly. I even took a dip at a frozen lake in Korea as a test. All good. What I want to bring to your attention is the process of how I got to the goal by slowly exposing myself to cold water step by step. There is clear science behind it, known as exposure therapy. I've added links and examples below if you are interested in how and why it works. Beat your fear of public speaking, panic disorders, phobia for heights or spiders. Exposure therapy has been scientifically demonstrated to be helpful. It is a way of retraining your brain and rewriting the labels about your fears. The key is in exposing yourself by taking small steps willingly towards that fear. That will build your courage. You don't even have to believe you can overcome your fears. You just have to do the work. More than bravery, it is about discipline. It's simple, but it's not easy. It's possible, and you can do it. Now the question is, what is your biggest fear that you need to deal with? How can you start exposing yourself with small doses of that fear? All the best.